Welcome back, everyone. It's been a couple weeks, and it's good to have you here. Photoshop is a very powerful tool, and we've purchased the rights for you to be able to put it on your school computer. It's also very expensive, but we've also purchased the rights for you to be able to install it on your home computers, and the students can install it on their personal computers. It's pretty cool. Now, today I'm going to show you how to download that and get that going on your computer. Now, in upcoming ones, I'm going to show you the basics of Photoshop. I'm going to show you the basic layouts of it and the basic tools of it. And so we'll get into that other weeks. But this week, I'm going to show you how to download that. Let's go do that. We are going to start out by going to adobe.com. And then we're going to sign in. Now, when it says sign in, you are going to put your school email address, whether that is an alpinedistrict.org if you're a teacher, or an alpinesd.org if you're a student. But you're going to sign in using that. Then it's going to come up and say, is this a personal account or is this a company or a school account? You're going to click on school account. Now, because I'm already signed in, it just kind of skipped a little process there. But you're just going to sign in using your Google account. Make sure that you are signed into Google at google.com as you go to download this. Now, once you're here, you're into your account. We are going to go to Open Creative Cloud. Okay, let me zoom in on that a little bit. Open Creative Cloud. Now, in Creative Cloud, I'm going to click on this and hit View All. This will show all the different apps that are available for you to download. Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere, After Effects, InDesign, Premiere Rush, Dreamweaver. Okay, so they've got all of these different ones that you can download and you can do. I suggest you start off by hitting Creative Cloud and downloading that. It doesn't look like it doesn't think I have it on here, so now that it's downloading it, it's going to download this. I'm going to wait for a second. Once it opens, I'm going to hit Open, or once it's downloaded, I'm going to hit Open. And I'm going to let it install Creative Cloud on my computer. I'm going to bring this over here so you can see it. I'm going to double click that, let it install it on the computer. Okay, we're just going to continue. And then I'm going to I'm going to let it do its thing. I'm going to kind of go through these questions and things like that, and then we'll get right back. Now we're going to watch it and just installed it. Now, having Creative Cloud on your computer, here it is on my computer now. This is the actual app instead of just being at the website. It can control these things, so I can tell it which ones I want to open, which ones I want to install, which ones I want to update. But you're going to start by installing Photoshop. So it says there's an update available. I'm just going to click on that. And once you get it down, go ahead and start playing with it. Next week, I'm going to show you the basic layout of it. And the following week, we'll go over some more of the tools. Anyway, if you liked it, don't forget to let me know by hitting that like button. And then we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys.